So excited to be unboxing another pair from TLB Mallorca. This is the Douglas number 548 on the Oliver Last in Old England Marron Medio leather. This is a hand-painted leather, so you'll notice some nice color variation throughout. These are Goodyear welted with a closed channel sole, and notice the beveled waist. You can see it's an almond shaped toe, rounded toe shape. Also notice the broguing pattern. It's an Adelaide around the eyelets, and yet it's a wingtip on the toe without a medallion. So the unique broguing pattern is really what drew me to this pair. Also notice how closely they cut the heel. It's nice and tight to the leather of the shoe. One more look at the color and shape on these before I shine them up for my first wear. I start off with pure polish, cleaning and conditioning lotion. I always like to condition my new shoes just because you don't know how long they might have been sitting on a shelf or in a box somewhere, and so the leather can be dried. I typically apply the conditioning lotion by hand. I feel it gives me a little bit better control on the amount that I use, and also can kind of push it into the leather a little bit better this way. After letting the lotion dry about 10-15 minutes, give the shoes a light brushing. Next, I'm adding pure polish cream in black. This is going to add just a little bit of a toe burnish and helps build a base to add some shine. After another quick brushing, I've moved on to the Pure Polish High Shine Wax, and this is going to help us achieve a mirror shine. I typically will apply the base coat by hand, then after that, when I start adding water, I'll use a polishing cloth. Adding just a single drop of water and then buffing is what's going to help to achieve a mirror finish on the shoe. Here we're starting to see some good progress, getting that mirror shine to start coming out on the toes. It takes a while, just be patient with it. And here we are, got them all shined up and ready for their first wear. So far, really happy with this shoe. I think it's absolutely beautiful and expect that it will continue to age and get even more beautiful over time. I will do another video soon comparing this one from their regular line to the pair that I have from their Artista line and do a little compare and contrast with those. Hope you enjoyed this unboxing video. I'd encourage you to subscribe to the channel, comment down below, and feel free to share it with anyone else that you think might enjoy it as well.